Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Kejala ubah Sñiawbhalang dhar bakran syakilat patai khobor mentakasngi kakhat khandai tarik no pra arjar pesau hadian ke Jingwan nak benta banakran Halor uput usam bat Kejala Assam ulaong banak liang jongki hakan ke Jingwan ke Ïakren ru Halor ke Jingwan Shna Surok ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council hapo uput usam ke Shnong Mukroh ubah Sñiawbhalang ulaong ke Ïakren mentakasngi kalong ke bayat bet jadanti bar ulaong ru baka Sorkar kan sesyong Jingwan biang Banyakran Halor kini kemat hadu usnam thamai. Habakali lakani ke Jingwan ke datang nak benta banyakran Halor ke Jingwan Shna Surok ke Kaac ubah Sñiawbhalang ulaong baka Jingwan ke de Halor ki wipat ki kam khaput bat ka Assam. Shushu ulaong baka Sorkar ke labu eki bor Pahara hakti ki jaka kenang banlai nakanu ke jingja ke basmusi.
Had a discussion about this, update about all these border things. It was a very good and fruitful meeting. So we are trying to update in all these villages, and especially when this last few days, so there is some construction work from the Assam. So we, the regional committee, we are trying to discuss in such a manner. So maybe after New Year again we'll see again. So as of now, everything is peaceful. There is no so maybe cannot have big can really try to sit in one more. It is just a discussion between men.
Means the meeting was to discuss just about the construction work that was carried out by
that we are trying to update for the last we are trying to update all the border situation, how is the border situation. As of now there is no problem, everything is peaceful. And yes, there is some from Assam side, so we are trying to stop that.
And also, where is the progress like in terms of the talks, because you're supposed to visit the border areas?
So the visit is not me. Actually, there is both the chief minister visit for the last few months they have decided, but till today they haven't visited. Maybe they will set time.
But has there been any deadline for the second phase to be completed?
No deadline, because border issues. So we are trying to tackle these issues at the appropriate time.
So, since if you're worried about the construction work that is carried out by
Not worried, because obviously there is a vision also. All the developmental activities should not disturb. Both the state government can do. Yes, if there is some concern from the local area, so we will do it.
So our security
Is there? Yes, don't worry. We are security is fully fine. Let me start to work.